These AI food challenge videos are going viral right now. Some creators are getting millions, even hundreds of millions of views using this exact format. Take a look at this TikTok account. It has over 2 million followers, and one of its reels has crossed 2.5 million views. Today, I'll show you how to create these videos using AI. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT. Go to Explore GPTs and search for AI food challenge videos. Once you find it, click Start Chat. It will ask you for a theme, like 8 countries, US states, or comfort foods, or just type choose for me and let it decide. The GPT will now provide a full video concept, character references, an image prompt, and 8 video prompts, one for each dish reveal. The only thing you need first is the image prompt because every clip starts from the same image. So just copy that and head over to Whisk AI. In Whisk AI, go to Image, then Create Image, paste your prompt in the prompt box, set the seed number lock, and hit Generate. Once your image is ready, click Image to Video on the right side, select the Animate option, then go back to the GPT and copy your first video prompt, paste it in, and hit Generate. Do the exact same for all 8 video prompts. Once they're all generated, add them together in your editing software.
This is Japan teriyaki rice castle all, glazed to the top and collapsing with flavor. This is Italy pizza tower call, stacked endlessly. This is Thailand seafood ocean crawl, overflowing. This is France chocolate pyramid, perfectly stacked and melting down in luxury.
That's the end of the video. You'll find all the links and tools I used in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.